Let's take a look at how to log in to your TSN platform and how to manage it. Open a browser and navigate to the address on the screen, or go to tsnvcs.com/hire_ed and click on the Go to TSN Platform button at the bottom of the website. On the login page, type your email password and hit Login. That brings you into the TSN platform and displays the dashboard. To manage your account, select the user icon in the upper right corner. Then select your name. Your profile page shows all of your information, including your role, email address, and phone number. To edit any of the information, make any changes that you want, including changing your password. You can also edit your notifications in this area. You manage all of your information from your profile. If you forget your password and need to reset it, from the login page, select the Password Recover option. Type your email address and then click on Reset Password. TSN automatically sends a reset email to your inbox. Follow the link in the email message to create a new password.